Hello and welcome. This movie is about SFP plus XFP CWDM 100 kilometers. We added this to our portfolio. We do have a lot of requests for it, but there are some limitations, and this movie will explain it. We added the part name EZR for extended ZR, or 100 kilometers or 26 dB. The distance you can reach with a CWDM just in general depends on the color and on the type of mux and of course the type of fiber you have. This table is taken out of the data sheet for it, and where it clearly states 4070 and 4090 you have the biggest chance of reaching that 100 kilometers. With 1510 it will go lower up to 1610, and this movie will explain how that comes. It has to do with two factors. One is attenuation and the other one is dispersion. Dispersion is the shifting of light because it is reaching a certain fiber distance, and attenuation is the weakening of light. This is pure the signal which is overlapping, and with the ZR and the EZR it can do up to 1600 picoseconds of overlapping of the signal before the detector cannot understand the signal anymore. Well, the attenuation, so the weakening of light over the fiber distance, is lower at 1550. So the higher you go in the wavelength, the lower the attenuation is. Here you have a graph of it. At 1310 you have a higher attenuation. 1550 you have a lower attenuation. And of course, what is also important for the attenuation is the type of mux you're using. A regular 8 channel has 2.8 dB attenuation, 18 channel has 3.8 dB attenuation. If you want to reach 80 kilometers, 100 kilometers, we are recommending you to use ultra muxes, which have a max of 1.5 dB and an average of 0.7 dB per side of attenuation. The dispersion is causing the 1470 and 1490 to be able to do 100 kilometers. You can see the dispersion curve here. The higher you go in the wavelength, the higher the dispersion is. 1470 you will have a dispersion of 13 picoseconds per kilometer. If you have 1600 maximum, you can do up to 120 kilometers with a 1470. But then of course you will have the attenuation, which is the limiting factor. In general, please read the data sheet and consult with our sales professionals. Thank you.